Hi everyone, my name is Matilda Park. Today I'm going to show you my pocket guide that I made for this semester. So I'm using the same pocket guide that I used from last semester. I just adding more information into this one. I find it very helpful for my clinical practice. I bring it with me everywhere. So from this semester I added more in primary care practice. So I had it HENT, just like common disease that patient normally come and see primary care. And then I also have pediatric HENT also in here, which is like have a lot of common disease that we see in pediatric patients. And then next one I have it here. It's hepatitis pocket guys. I added like the labs, hepatitis B, A, C, and then what is the lab that we should order and what we are looking for. And then also anemia pocket guide that I added here. I throw in some kind of labs in there, so it's a quick reference for me what that lab means and then what do I have to order. Also I have it here for diabetes pocket guide. It's really helpful here because sometimes we have the lab result coming out and then I just hop in here and then see what that means and then what kind of labs or what is intervention we should do. I also have it here what kind of medication to use with diabetes patients, like when we have our A1C lab coming up back, and then we use this reference to calculate the medication. Also I have a big segment of STI, so I put like how to take his history and then review of systems in here and what kind of physical exam we are required to do, and also diagnostic lab in here for all the condition. And then I also have the guideline how to treat the partners and the follow-up plan. And then next one is gonna be my GI section, so I throw it in here for the lab result, lab test, and then the condition, and then also medication for GI. Also I did in here my cardiology section, just the guideline for hypertension or hyperlipidemia or CAD or heart failure, and then how do we treat it. And then I also put it in there medication for hypertension. And then the last one I have here it COPD and asthma treatment, like the guideline to use SABA, LAMA, and then the STAB for asthma treatment, and then the gold standard for COPD. And then also the test, PT value test, and what's that mean. That's all for my pocket guide, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.